Hi, it's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Today, I'm going to share delicious Japanese donuts filled with red bean paste. This Japanese pastry is known as doughnuts in Japan. Thick texture of sweet red bean paste goes so well with soft, fluffy donuts dough. The best part of homemade donuts is that you can enjoy straight away. Fresh and hot donuts are super delicious. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I have bread flour. Add 2 instant dry yeast, sugar, a pinch of salt, egg mixture. Pour warm water over the dried yeast. With a wooden spoon or a spatula, mix well until it all comes into a rough mixture. Transfer the dough on a workspace. Knead until dough is smooth. Add 2 unsalted butter and knead until the dough is less sticky. It took me about 10 minutes to get elastic texture. Shape the dough into a ball and place in a mixing bowl. Cover with a plastic wrap. Using a fermentation function of the oven, let the dough to ferment for 30 minutes. During this time, the dough will increase 1.5 to 2 times in size. Degast the dough by gently punching with your fist. Divide the dough into 6 equal portions and shape into balls. Cover with a damp kitchen towel and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. This is known as bench time. How to stuff the dough with filling. Portion out the red bean paste and round into balls. I use my homemade red bean paste, but you can of course use store-bought red bean paste. For the best red bean paste recipe from scratch, please find the link in the description below. Place the dough sealed side facing up. Flatten the dough and rub the red bean paste filling in the dough. Place the sealed side down on a parchment paper. For final fermentation, place in oven for 20 minutes. Now I will deep fry donuts. Heat the oil to 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, make sure your donuts are bubbling gently. Cook the donuts on both sides until golden. It took me about 2 minutes to cook one side of the donuts. Dust with granulated sugar while donuts are hot. The red bean paste donuts are complete now. Fresh and hot donuts are so delicious. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye.